Okay, this is explaining dividing with partial quotients. I know it's very confusing. I hope this helps. So when we have a division problem, you're used to seeing long division like this, but with partial quotients, we have to break the big number down into easier chunks to work with. So our first step is always to make a t-chart out to the side with this number that we're dividing. So 4, so we're going to do a t-chart with this. What we do is we use easy numbers to multiply by. It's like compatible numbers. So we do 1, 2, and 5. Those are easy numbers to multiply and count by, like skip counting, 1, 2, and 5. But then we're going to want bigger numbers as well. So we just do the tens version of that, 10, 20, and 50. And since we're in the thousands, we're probably going to want bigger numbers than that. So we do the same thing, but now we do a hundreds version. So 100, 200, 500. It's the same thing, 1, 2, 5, but now it's just 10, 20, 50, 100, 200, 500. This part seems to be what the kids are getting. They're getting confused over here. So then we do whatever number we're dividing by. We then fill out the chart with that. So 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 5 is 20. You could keep doing that, 4 times 10, fill it out like that, or you could see, okay, it's going to have that same pattern, 4, 8, 20, but now that we're in the tens, we're 10 times more, so we're going to add a 0 to those 3 numbers. Then the same thing down here, you could do 4 times 100 is 400, or you could say 4, 8, 20. Now we're 100 times bigger, so we're adding 2 zeros, because hundreds equals 2 zeros over. Now that we have this fun t-chart, we can then start dividing. So I see what's the biggest amount I can get out of this to subtract, which is this. So I circle it. I can take out 2,000, which is 500 groups of 4. And I subtract that. So then I have 1,488. Then I see, okay, what's the next biggest group I can take out? 800. So I'm going to take out 800. That is 200 groups of 4. 200 groups of 4. Subtract that. Then I have 688. It's very long, but this is the way to do dividing with partial quotients. So then I have 400. I can subtract 400, which is 100 groups of 4. Then I can do the next one. It's not always right in order like this. This one just happens to be. Sometimes you'll skip and go around. So I have 200, which is 50 groups of 4, gives me 88. Then I can take out 80, which gives me 8, 20 groups of 4, and then we have 8, so I'm going to go up here and get the 8, subtract that. That is 2 groups of 4. Then I will add up all of these guys to give you my answer. So it's how many groups I was able to take out. So 500 plus 200, 700, 800, 850, 870, 872. So my answer to this ridiculously long question is 872.